Retake of the modern Otis Lexans at 190 Edward Street. These have been modded 3 times already. There's the old Otis badge, so it's not been replaced. Cab view. But they kept the original fixtures on the bottom floor, the original Dewhurst US 89. With number 2, maximum load 700 kilos, 9 persons.
7th floor.
I like the chimes as well.
Going down.
You might have think that these were replacements. I don't think they were, because I see the... Oh, I think basement's locked. Is it? We might go to ground just in case. Someone please let me know if these were modded, because if they were, I'll change the title.
Ground floor.
Look at these Dewhurst USA 9. I'm glad they kept those. And also they kept the Otis Lexan panels. And that's it.